So my name is Rishi Raj, the last name is Raj, and I'm from the University of Colorado in Boulder in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, and I belong to the program on Material Science and Engineering at that university, which is an interdisciplinary program involving chemistry and physics and engineering and biomaterials and so on. So the workshop is a place, I'm here to attend a workshop on polymer dry ceramics, and in general, the workshops is where all new ideas spring from discussions, from reflections, from hearing other people express their results and one thinking about your own results, putting them in context. So it's really a wonderful opportunity to meet with other people with different ideas than yours, and from that comes new ideas. So the meeting is a place where one can go back with one or two new ideas and work on them and get ready for the next meeting a year hence. So PDCs are really a new class of materials. They're ceramics that are made from polymers, so they're made from chemical compounds rather than just sand, for example, and therefore you can change the composition of the chemical compound and thereby change the composition and the properties of the ceramics that you make from them. And polymer dry ceramics are these class of materials. So the potential of creating new materials by new methods is really just starting to emerge, and it has a great future. The most immediate applications for PDCs are in ceramic matrix composites. These are ceramics composites which are being, actually General Electric company is incorporating these composites into their latest turbine engines, which is increasing the fuel efficiency of these engines by 10 to 15%. But this is only a beginning. These ceramic matrix composites, or CMCs, they're going to continue to evolve because of this chemical route to processing and yield materials for gas turbines which can operate at higher and higher temperatures and have these gas turbines become more and more efficient, and that allows the aeroplanes to fly with less fuel, longer range, lower cost. So the payback is huge.